السلام عليكم. بنات، هنبدأ إن شاء الله دلوقتي الجزء الثاني أو part 2 من question 7 لغاية معانا لغاية question 14. نركز مع بعض ونشوف إذا في أي لو حد عنده برضو أي سؤال يبعت لي، وزي ما قلت لكم هنفتح blue bottom فيديو قبل الامتحانات إن شاء الله بيوم، هبقى أبلغكم عنها. طيب نبدأ question 7. we still in the logarithms topic. Let's read the question together. Solve the logarithmic equation log to base 3 to 3 plus log base 3 x plus 2 equal log 3 12. Before starting solving this equation, we have to go back to make a quick review about the logarithms rules. Let's see together. This is log's property. So don't forget this logarithm property we'll use during our solution. And this map or this guide will take you to the correct method you need to use once you see the equation. So if you have equation with exponents on both sides, it was logarithmic equation, it's not exponential. And equation with one log in one side, equation with two logs in both sides. This is our case. We have two logs in both sides. First, apply properties of logarithm to get the form one log in the left side and one log in the right side. Let's go and look for which method are suitable to use in this equation. As you see in this equation, we have two logs in the left side. It is not now correct to start solving this equation. Now we need to combine these two logs together before solving the equation. So how we can combine these two logs together? By using product property. Why product? This sign of plus, which tell me that you need to combine these two logs in one log. Let's do it together. So how we can combine these two logs in one log? Write one log with the same base 3. And if you want to combine or to use a property can take these two logs in one log, just multiply the two powers. This is, as you know, this two arguments. So these two arguments, 3 and x plus 2, need to multiply. So 3 multiply x plus 2. Now we put the both arguments in one log by multiplying. Now 3 multiply x plus 2 equal log 3 12. Now once you get one log in the left side and one log in the right side, you can cancel them out together. So log 3 removed from my equation, and now equate the arguments. So now 3 x plus 2 equal 12. Expand this bracket. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6 equal 12. Now you can take this plus 6 to this side to be with the other constant. It means 3x equal 12. It was plus 6 in the left side. When you take it to the right side, you need to make it minus 6. Now 3x equal, what is 12 minus 6 is 6. What is the last step? As we all know, we need to divide both sides by, yes, correct, 3 over 3. It means x equal, what is 6 divided by 3? It is 2. It's very easy. So the main concept, the main idea is to how to use properties of logarithms by combining these two logs by using product property. And then if you have logs in both sides, you can cancel them and go ahead. Sequences, again, geometric sequences. Geometric sequences, it means rational. Directly write R and write A1. And let's read together. Given geometric sequences 2, 4, 8, and so on, find the total. Focus on this word total, because we'll use a sum formula. Sum formula. What is the sum formula? Sn equal A1. We are in geometric sequence, don't forget. 1 minus r of power n, or r to the power of n minus 1, both correct. R minus 1, this is the geometry, and you can find this formula in this sheet in the last paper, or in the exam paper as well. You'll find this formula given. So now we need R, A1, and N. What is N? N is number of terms he wants you to find the total of them. So how many terms we need? 6 terms. So this is N, number of terms. What is the common ratio? We need to divide any term by the previous. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the common ratio is 2. We are multiplying. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 2, 8. So the common ratio is 2. And what is the first term? The first term is 2. Now my problem is ready to solve, because all values found. So S to 6 values, or to 6 terms, is A1, which is 2, multiply R to the power of n. It means 2 to the power, what is n? Power of 6, minus 1 over R minus 1. R is 2. It means 2 minus 1. Using calculator, please follow exactly what you see in the formula. I will do it by calculator. I'll write 2 first, then open bracket, make a fraction, make the fraction bottom, the left side, the second one from the first column in the left side, 2 to the power of 6. Sorry. Okay, my calculator is not working properly, so you can find it by using your calculator and give me the last answer. Try to find it. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 to the power of 6 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. It's 64 minus 1 multiply 2. The answer is 126. Let me double check. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Yes, it's 126. Go to question 8. I won't make this video short. Simplify. This is adding or subtracting rational expression. Don't forget, if you have you have 2 types of adding or multiplying rational expression. The one type is if you have the same denominator. No need to do anything. Just put one of these 2 denominators in the answer. So x minus 1, x minus 1, this is the common denominator, which is x minus 1, and just put 2 plus 1, add the numerator. So keep one of this denominator in the answer and add the both numerators in the answer. 2 plus 1 is 3 over x minus 1. Done. Go to question 15. As you see here, the denominators are different, and as I told you, we need to use cross multiplying again, butterfly. Let's write the answer. Please follow my instructions. Put these 2, if you have different denominators, put them beside each other. X minus 2, x plus 2, and keep them inside brackets. And then do cross multiplying. 3 multiplied by x plus 2 and 1 multiply x minus 2 in the numerator, and don't forget to put plus between them, plus 3 multiply x plus 2 and 1 multiply x minus 2. Expand the brackets. 3x plus 3 times x, 3x. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 multiply x is x, 1 multiply minus 2 is minus 2, all over the same. Don't change this bracket till the last step of the solution, x plus 2. Now we need to combine the like terms. 3x with 4x with 1x is 4x, plus 6 with minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4 over x minus 2, x plus 2. My problem solved correctly. Done. This is for simplifying rational expression. Go to question 9 and we go back to the sequences. Find the fourth term of this sequence nth formula. It's very easy, just one step to solve this question, because as if you remember what we did in these questions of sequences, when I ask you to find a specific this one, find the sixth term, we worked to find the nth rule first, then so we found here the nth rule, then we use the term position to find A6 or A7 as in the question 9. So the nth term here is ready, no need to find, just substitute n. This is n, this is what? Term position. This n, it means term position. So just take this 4 in the position place, so it means A4. It means each n in the nth term will be 4, because he's asking about 4. So 3, what is n? 4 plus 2, it means 12 plus 2 equal 14. It's very easy. Similarly, but I will give you the chance to solve this one by yourself. Pause the video, try to do it by yourself, give me the answer, I'm waiting you. As we did in question 16, A5 equal 5 times 5 minus 3. Why n5? Because the question asked me to find fifth term. So this is n. So as I put it here and there, here and there. So now 25 minus 3 is 22. Done. Question number 10. What is the amplitude? This lesson, if you remember, was the last lesson we took it in the semester 2. And I don't know if you know the table. If you remember the table I give you all characteristics of trigonometric function, sine, cosine, tan. If you don't have this paper, I will give you now a barcode. This barcode, if you just capture this barcode, you will get the table. It will guide you to find all properties of trigonometric function. The amplitude, when you see this characteristic in the question, it means go to number in front of the trigonometric function. What is the number in front of the trigonometric function? Sine. So the amplitude is amplitude equal 3. And what about this one? Same as we did in question 18. So the amplitude is no, it's not minus 2, because amplitude is its length, its height. So it cannot be minus value. So just remove minus 2 and write 2, because amplitude is absolute value of A. This is A. And we have another question in the second part we will check together, but this is short question. Now go back to equation, logarithmic equation. And we have here only one log in one side. This is different than this one. In this equation, we have two logs. We have logs in the left side and logs in the right side. That's why I try to use different method. But if you have one log in one side, what you have to do? Don't forget, go back to the map I prepared for you in the last paper. If you have, let's read together, equation with one log in one side, convert to index form. What is index form? What we call exponent form. Exponent form or exponential form. Exponential form, it means change the log form to exponential form. Base, power, argument. Base, power, argument. What is the base? 3. What is the power? 2. Equal x minus 3. What is 3 power 2? It is 9. Equal x minus 3. Now take this minus 3 to this side. It means 9 plus 3 equal x. 12 equal x. Very easy. Don't forget, when you have one log in one side, convert to index form, base, power, and argument. I'll give you a chance. This is your turn to solve question 21 by yourself. Pause the video, try to do it by yourself, please, and check the answer after resuming the video. Okay, as we did in question 20, we have one log in one side. Change this equation to index form. Base, power, argument. Base is 5, argument is 2. Power is 2, argument is x plus 1. What is 5 to the power of 2? It is 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. Equal x plus 1. Take this plus 1 to this side with minus sign. It means 25 minus 1 equal x. 24 equal x. Please, it's very easy to solve. Don't lose this question mark. Go to question number 12. Again and again, I have logarithmic equation with two logs in the left side and one log. It means I have logs in both sides. We need to combine these two logs together, but don't forget we have here in this time minus. So if you have minus, you need to divide. So I write these two logs in one log with base 3. And if you remember what we did in this one, we returned the two logs in one log by multiply. Here we did multiply because the sign was plus. Okay, but in this one we need to put the two arguments in a fraction. X plus 6 in the numerator and x in the denominator equal log 3 to base 3. Now this is time of cancellation. You can cancel log with log. Once you get two logs, one log in the left side, one log on the right side, cancel them out together. And now write the equation with the new arguments. X plus 6 over x equal 3. This 3, consider 3 over 1. Any constant number can be written 3 over. Why I put 3 over 1? To make a cross multiplying. It means 3 times x, 3x, equal 1 multiply x plus 6. It means 3x equal x plus 6. Take this x with minus sign in the left side. It means 3x minus x equals x. 2x equals 6. Divide by 2 both sides to get the answer. X equal 3. Done. Again and again sequences, but this time we don't know what is the type of sequence is this sequence. Let's try to know, is it geometric or arithmetic? Arithmetic if we add the same number each time. Geometric if we multiply or divide a ratio by each time. Let's try to find the difference between each two successive terms. It means they are in row. Next, let's do 6 minus 2 equal 4. Good. What about 10 minus 6? Is it 4 as well? Let's see. Yes. So once you have the same difference between each successive term, it means this is arithmetic. This is arithmetic. And arithmetic sequence, we have the formula of arithmetic sequences. Here you can find this one, arithmetic sequence. This is for finding the nth term. This is to find what the sum of to calculate, if you read here the description, calculate the sum of the first n terms in the arithmetic sequence. And this paper, I think, it will be helpful for everyone. Go back to the question and let's read together what is the question ask you to find. He wants sum. It means we'll use sum of arithmetic sequences terms formula. Sn equal, go back to the formula. This is the formula, please don't forget it. N over 2 2a plus n minus 1d. It's very easy. Let's do it together. N over 2 bracket 2a1 plus n minus 1d. But we didn't write what is a1, what is common difference, what is number of terms you want you to find. a1 is clear for everyone, it's 2, this one. Common difference already we found here 4, and number of terms from the question, they are 5. Just plug all these values in the formula and use calculator to get the answer. So equal n is 5 over 2 bracket 2 multiply a1, which is 2, plus n minus 1, 5 minus 1 multiply common difference, which is 4. Use calculator to find the answer. And please follow the same symbols and numbers and signs in the calculator to get the correct answer. Part 2 finished. Let's go to the third part together, and the third part will be from question 13 till question 17. Goodbye.